Alright, welcome back to this video tutorials. In this tutorials, we're going to be downloading and installing Python on our machine. As you can see over my screen here, I am running Kali. I don't know, probably you might be running something else, probably Windows or Mac. So if you're running Kali, you can just go to your web browser and you visit python.org. So when sorry, I guess my internet is kind of down. Let me turn it back on. Let me try that again. So you can just go to python.org. When you go to python.org, you'll be able to see the latest version irrespective of the operating system you're running. So let's go to downloads. Let's see. So you go to download python.org/download. So as you can see, the latest version of Python right now is, as of today, is Python 3.13.2. So if you scroll down a little, you see that there is a pre-release, like a planned release coming up. I think by October 1st this year, 2025. So if you're running Windows, if you see my screen here, you can just click on this and download the Windows version. And if you're running on Linux like me, you can just download it. Or if you're running on Mac or any other operating system, you just download what suits your operating system. So if you're on Kali or any other Linux distro, just open up your terminal and you can just check the version of Python that you're running on, because Python is pre-installed on Linux distro. So I'm currently running version 3.12.8. So if you want to verify that, you can just click Python 3 here. You just type that on your terminal. And as you can see, Python is already pre-installed, so everything is all good. That's all for now. So just make sure you install it on your machine, because you're going to be needing it. That's what we'll be using. So personally, I'm not going to be doing all my coding on the terminal here. I have an editor pre-installed on my system. VS Code. I have VS Code pre-installed on my system. So if you want to install VS Code, you can just go to the internet and learn how to install VS Code. And if you don't want VS Code, there are other alternatives like Sublime Text, Atom, and the rest. So just make your choice on which editor suits you. Whatever it is that you want, you can just go ahead and download it. So just check. Let me go ahead and exit this. Alright, so okay, so if I check my, you see code -- version, you'll see that I'm running VS Code. I don't know what version it is, then 1.96.4. so VS Code is already installed. I installed it myself. So if you want to reinstall it, you can just on your Linux, you can just do sudo pt install code. So you just do that. I already have it installed, so there's no need for me going down this route. So this is the editor that I'm going to be using throughout this course. So you just ensure you get one that VS Code, Atom, Sublime Text, anyone that you feel comfortable, that you like. Just try install it on your machine. So you can search through Google to see how to do that. So thank you. See you in the next tutorial.